Hello and welcome to France. Now you may remember in the last video that we fixed the car. Well, Mike drove it all the way here and currently we are in Dunkirk where the car has broken down, and so we're going to fix it in an Intermarché car park. Yay! Okay, so just at Europe's and we have a new starter. So that's going to come with me tomorrow. Now off to BMW Hereford. A huge thank you to the chaps at Hereford as they've managed to secure all of the parts that are specific to a 320si. So just popped into BMW Hereford and I have a load more parts and things here. So there's some bolts, there's an alternator cap screw, and then some other things like a grounding wire, just to try and help it, because obviously if the starter's gone, it's just worth replacing the parts on it. So we'll do that. And yeah, so I'm going to head home now from Hereford and get the car ready for tomorrow, because that's when we leave bright and early, and then head straight to the Eurotunnel. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. But before that, Benji had a much needed trip to the groomers. Yep. Good. Well, before I film that intro, first we have to get there, and it's currently about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to head down to Folkestone. It's about a 5-hour drive, and then we'll board the train and we'll be in France. Keeping
There we have it, sports fans, the queue jumpers. There she is, sport.
Well, at least getting in is going to be easy. Okay, so what we've done is taken off the inlet airbox stuff, undone the undone the aux belt. So that's off, and now what I'm doing is removing the alternator so I can have access to it. After I've done the alternator, then I need to loosen the whole inlet manifold. Well, take all this off, then loosen the whole inlet manifold, jack the car up, remove the under tray so I can get to a clip under it, and as I can get to it here, I'll try it from here first, and then try and pull out a starter motor. Playing cards with the boys. With the boys. This is what we do on holiday.
Beautiful British holiday.
Yeah. Hello. Right, and then drag the alternator up a bit.
Annoying that this isn't right. You're going all the way.
Okay, well I didn't need that. Ah, you
You dropped the ratchet.
You dropped the entire fucking thing. This is Dean struggling to try and get a ratchet out that I dropped. Success.
Are we?
And then I just have to wiggle Le Cavell off. Right. You're putting there. How the shit do I get that off? If in doubt, just pull it really hard. Everyone's so intrigued by the Brits working on the car in the middle of a car park. Is this not a normal thing to do?
The whole like 360 bang bang.
360 no scope. Cock. What else are you stuck on? Oh yeah. Better take those off. Hello. Starter motor. Sorry?
Change engine?
Almost. Starter.
Starter off?
Starter
motor.
dead.
Ah.
We have driven from England today to do this.
You know how to do this?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Why you don't go to like a store or something?
Good point. Why didn't we do that?
Money. It's not too hard to do, he says, struggling.
So there's the starter motor.
The starter.
motor.
Yeah. They're 10s, I believe. Yes. So, that's a 10. Is that 10? Of course it's not a 10. Windy. Very windy.
People have a go at you on YouTube for doing your ratchet like that. You just dropped that. I just heard something drop.
Maybe.
You're a titty. I heard something drop.
Yeah, it dropped. I see it.
Let's go with Jordan to do that. We're an hour ahead over it. Bye.
Come on, you I'll stop being a moron. Oh, look at that, it fits. What a fucking surprise.
Just faced.
There's one clip and there's the other clip.
Might come here more often. Just this car park though.
Oh, just a single
Or
car
else in front,
park.
Just
Come on.
both hands on it, I got this.
Hours later.
And then one starter, and the good thing is I didn't need to put the car in jack stands or take the under tray off to get this absolute f***er off.
The unboxer.
Oh yeah, all the good content on this channel.
You're gonna need help putting it in. So she said.
Right, let's see if it works now that everything's all connected. Whoa, would you look at that?
Bean. Oh, wait.
We got 4 hours to wait now.
Bean. W.
Working, not working. Forgot to mention as well, got candy up. Best thing about France.
Bean.
We are currently on the train. It is 9:12 our time, so that's obviously 10:12 French time. So we will obviously go on the can't talk. We will obviously go on the train, and then we have a just under 5-hour journey when we get into England. But we also need to get some fuel because this thing is thirsty, and I'm not on a lot. Oh, we're moving.